Welcome to Healthy Way.
Hi, beauties. Looking for a natural way to improve your skin and overall health? These 4 powerful blended teas are packed with antioxidants, calming properties, and detox benefits. Let's dive in. Hibiscus and rose tea. This vibrant, flowery blend is a natural source of vitamin C and natural AHAs, which can support collagen production, improve skin texture, and provide a radiant glow. The natural oils also help maintain hydration, making it ideal for dry skin. Jasmine and green tea, a refreshing and calming combo, packed with antioxidants that protect skin from damage, helps reduce acne and inflammation, boosts metabolism and aids weight management, promotes calmness and reduces stress. Perfect for acne-prone skin and daily detox. Chamomile and lavender blend. Known for its calming effects, this blend soothes the nervous system, improves sleep quality, and can reduce stress-related skin concerns like puffiness and dark circles. Peppermint and green tea, a refreshing and energizing blend. Helps balance hormones, great for hormonal acne, improves digestion and reduces bloating, clears skin by reducing excess oil, boosts energy and focus. Perfect for oily skin and digestion support. Add these teas to your daily routine and glow naturally from within. Which one will you try first?
Thanks for your time. Bye.